Are you looking for suitable learners for your company, but aren't sure what the best way to go about it is? This video will show you how to set up a fair and well thought out selection process, step by step.
Omar is the head of logistics and has been ensuring that everything runs smoothly in his warehouse for many years. The company trains new learners every year. But how does he find the right young people? The first thing Omar and his team have to do is determine which tasks the learners will be expected to perform in future according to the training plan, and which skills and attributes are important for this. This results in a requirements profile. He then plans the application process and uses the selection procedure checklist to compile the necessary documents. The apprenticeship is then officially advertised on their own website and via the cantonal vet offices at berufsberatung.ch, the official Swiss list of apprenticeship positions. It doesn't take long for the first applications to arrive. Omar compares the dossiers with the requirements profile, makes an initial selection, and sends out invitations and rejections promptly. He knows that for many young people, this is their first major application process. Clear, respectful communication is therefore especially important. During the interview, Omar focuses on being honest. With the help of the selection records, he conducts interviews with the young people, paying attention to more than just their grades. What matters to him is how motivated someone is and what strengths they have. Omar invites some of the applicants to a pre-vocational traineeship. This allows him to better assess how they work in a team, what practical skills they have, and whether they feel comfortable in the company. Following the pre-vocational traineeship, Omar and his team will make a decision. In the end, the apprenticeship contract is drawn up, with both sides feeling good about the outcome.
Would you like to find the right learners for your company, just like Omar? Visit vocationaleducation.ch/selection, where you'll find checklists, tools such as the selection records, and all the information you need about selecting learners.